Ready to unlock the secrets to building stunning websites quickly and efficiently with Duda? Let's dive into Duda, a website builder specifically designed for agencies and web professionals. Starting with a tour of the platform's intuitive interface, notice the clear navigation and drag-and-drop functionality. Next, let's explore template customization. Duda offers a wide array of professionally designed templates. Simply choose one that aligns with your project and start personalizing it using the visual editor. Adding and managing content is a breeze. You can easily edit text, replace images, and arrange elements to create a unique website layout. Collaboration is key. Duda allows you to seamlessly collaborate with clients through integrated feedback and commenting tools, streamlining the review process. Now, let's optimize your website for search engines. Duda provides built-in SEO tools to help you improve your website's visibility, including meta description, editing, and keyword optimization. Need to sell products online? Duda's e-commerce capabilities enable you to easily set up an online store and manage your product listings, making transactions simpler than ever. With Duda's powerful features, you're now ready to create visually appealing and high-performing websites with ease. Get started today and elevate your web design game.